Well, hello again. This is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. The show where I impart my knowledge from reviewing over 3,000 different kinds of instant noodles and share it with you. So, anyways, today we've got one from a company called Vite Ramen. This is their soy sauce chicken flavor. These guys did a really successful Kickstarter campaign. Their products are very healthy. In fact, they're good for you. This one has, I think, 27 grams of protein, at least 25% daily value for all vitamins, lots of fiber, no MSG. 25 complete protein. No frying, no MSG, no preservatives, balanced macronutrient content. And the last two that I had were pretty darn good. So I suppose we should cook up this one. So what do we got here today? Well, first, let's turn this heat down because the last two I cooked each and every time the water's been boiling way too high and it's kind of a mess. Here is the noodle block for your viewing pleasure. Then here is the seasoning. There's a lot of it. Whoops. The vegetables. And a little, I don't know if you'd even be able to see that, canola oil. That's in there. Of course, these are all in sachets. And then there's this one that won't go in until later. So we're gonna let that cook and not explode out the pot. Repeat, not explode. For 3 minutes, as mentioned on the packaging. Or on the, that was the information the company gave me. That may change. They were saying that some of the stuff that's in their noodles might be making it actually so it doesn't need to cook for 3 minutes. But when I'm doing reviewing, I have to do exactly what's on the package, that kind of thing. So, yeah, if it changes, you know, that'll be cool. They're not, I'm not going to say they're mushy, but they're soft. They're very soft noodles, but they're really good. I really like them, what I've had so far. So, anyways, give them a stir while we're at it. So, what's going on? We still are under a hazardous air quality or crappy air quality warning today. You can really see it in the shadows. They're kind of dingy, almost orangey at some points. And it looks cloudy. But what's weird is the weather says it's sunny. So the clouds are all smoke from the wildfires. Wildfires! Up in British Columbia, down in Oregon. But there's so many of them up in BC, it's not even funny. Definitely wouldn't be funny if you had a house right next to it, so hopefully people do okay in that respect. Yeah. Oh, what else is going on? Well, they're saying my computer will be delivered on the 23rd. Estimated. It's 21st right now, so I don't know. Hoping. Then again, I'm kind of hoping that it would just like come on a, well, let's see, it's 21st. That'd be a Thursday. So I could do it like Saturday morning. I want to, it's been really, really hard for me to get 10 new reviews done in a week lately. And that's kind of my goal, doing two a day. And there's just been so many things getting in the way of that, like setting up a new computer or good things, you know, like family coming to town, stuff like that. Not a bad thing, just makes it hard to, you know, get that kind of stuff done. And I try not to do any reviews on the weekend because, you know, my wife's off on the weekend, so I want to spend time with her. Spend some time. So, there's that. It is cooked. Off the heat. And into the bowl we go. This is a special bowl. As you'll see here, it's got a temperature, a V on it. The V is temperature sensitive, so if it gets hot above 160 degrees Fahrenheit, it'll turn white. And once it cools past 160 degrees Fahrenheit, it'll turn back to green, right? So what's up with that? Well, there's another sachet that I didn't add, and that's the nutrient sachet. And the whole point of that is some of the nutrients, if you take like a probiotic pill and then you drink like hot coffee, it'll kill all those little lactobacilli culture dead. So it's like there's really no point in it. So it's the same kind of deal with this stuff. So gotta let it cool down. So we're gonna let it sit, and I'm gonna hit pause, and then I'll come back, and it'll be like nothing happened. Ready, set. Well, here, let me put it right here. And we're gone. And we're back. So, isn't that fast? So we've got this stuff, and it's a little bit of powder, and we're just gonna drop it all around this. Come on. Drop it all around. And give that a stir. I like using the soup spoon because what's cool about this too is this powder, it integrates, it doesn't clump. And you would think maybe that the protein powder stuff might clump a bit. It really doesn't. There, it's like totally integrated. So let's try the saucy broth. Very light. Very, very light. Yeah, of the three, I would say this has the lightest to it. On the noodle. Yeah, I'm gonna say that this is extremely bland at this point. Sorry. But yeah, this one, not altogether too stoked on. I know that they're still in, it's like gonna be ready pretty quick, but they're still doing little fine tuning, and I think this one definitely needs some more flavor action going on. So, anyways, well, let's get it all gussied up here. I'll tell you one thing, regardless of the amount of like saltiness it has, I will say one thing is that way better than a protein shake the way it is currently, I would say doing this instead of a protein shake, if you're in this for protein, is like way more satisfying. Oh yeah, there you go. Got a couple eggs of happiness here. Here, why don't you look at that? Nom nom nom. Miles is having a good time doing something out there. Nom nom nom. Do you want more noodles? I can make these spicy. So Miles actually really liked the what flavor were they? The garlic pork ones I showed you yesterday. I mean, he ate a ton of them. And by a ton, I mean a whole lot. Well, that's pretty good. You got your chicken. This is chicken baked with Nutec Salt for Life. Definitely find that. Check it out. Good stuff. Low sodium. I figured I'd go with the lower sodium theme. Because these noodles have, I think it's 500 milligrams of sodium for the whole thing, you know. Couple softish boiled eggs, baked chicken, some spring onion, and some salad Cosmo mung bean sprout. Somebody was asking me, you know, saying, hey, I discovered mung bean sprouts. They're great. I get them in H Mart. I'm like, are they salad Cosmo mung bean sprouts? And the reason I say that is because I've had H Mart selling ones that have no date on them at all, and brought them home and they were bad already. I mean, mung bean sprouts are very temperamental, folks. It took me a while to figure out that this brand is the way to go. There might be other brands out there that do really good jobs at mung bean sprouts, but these guys are where it's at. And almost everywhere has them around here except for H Mart. So, yeah. Get them, H Mart. They're good. Anyways, so yeah, that is a bowl of chicken soy sauce ramen. I'd like to thank Vite Ramen for sending these over. These are prototypes, so I'm sure the one that comes out is going to have more flavor to it. But it's not bad, you know. It just needs a little more something, and I don't know what that is. So, but yeah. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video... Hey Miles! If you like this video, there's my kid running around, and actually, here's some more videos to watch. There's videos of this and that, and the other. There'll be something right here, you know. So, alright. Have a good one. Bye-bye.